how do I make meatballs without any oil in easy step, and they are very healthy and nutritious, and I'm going to taste it. Here's some barbecue sauce. So good. Super delicious. I feel like eating. So good. They are so good, so tasty and delicious. And how do I make it without wasting any time? Let's get started. Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you meatballs. These are cooked meatballs and it's Italian style beef meatballs. They are very tasty and very delicious. But they are frozen. It's very simple and easy to prepare them without adding any oil or anything. I'm going to use the air fryer. I'm going to put it inside and I'm going to let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'm going to move around, then I'm going to leave it another 5 to 6 minutes and they're going to get ready. So I'm going to open it. This is a big family pack, it's a 6 pound. So these are the meatballs. And I'm going to fill the basket with meatball. We're going to spread it evenly. And then we're going to put it into the fryer. I will plug in. And then we're going to use power. And we're going to keep the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to keep it for 15 minutes. And after 10 minutes, I'm going to open it. And then we're going to see how it's doing. Then we're going to leave another 5 minutes. It's almost done. It's only 1 more minute left. Altogether 15 minutes. You can hear the beep. It's the final beep. It's all done. You can leave it inside for a couple more minutes, but I'm going to take it out. It's a 15 minute. Look at this. As you can see, it's a nice, hot, sizzling. And the one was on the top. What I have done after 10 minutes, I just turn around like this. And look at, they all done without any oil. So it took us exactly 15 minutes in air fryer. That's how it's easy and simple to prepare meatballs without any oil in air fryer. I hope you like this tip, and please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.